Hello, you're welcome to my class, and this is the part 2 of the earlier video I made about how to create, how to rename, and then remove any directories you don't want from the virtual environment you are working in. So as a developer or as a data scientist, and you are working with several of other projects, and you have a virtual environment you work on. For that matter, you created a specific video, a specific directory. You can go back to my profile and then check out the part 1 of this video, where you will see clearly the title, how to create, how to rename and delete any directories you don't want from the virtual environment you are actually working in. So to continue from where I ended the last time, I taught you how to remove a directory. So for instance, I want to check the directories or the subdirectories that are contained in this current directory, which is document. I want to check which other folders are contained here so that I'll know which one to delete. The last time I taught you that, and that is actually where we ended. That when the folder is empty and you want to remove that directory, you issue the command remove directory followed by the name of the directory. So in this case, I want to delete this particular one, December 5 directory, which is an empty folder. There is nothing contained in it. So I will pass in the command remove directory followed by December 5. This folder is empty, so I hit enter. And then it is deleted. Let's check the directory. Let's open it to see if the December 5 folder is still contained in it. So we can see clearly it is gone. So where I left off the last time and told you that when the directory you want to delete contains other files or it has subdirectories in it, then you cannot do remove directory followed by December 7. Now, this December 7 directory you are seeing here, it is not empty. There are files in it. So if I issue the command like I did here, now let's see what that will give me. It is telling me that the directory is not empty, which means we cannot use this command to delete the directory called December 7. Since there are other files contained in this directory, we do remove directory slash s followed by the name of the directory. This means you are deleting everything from this directory. This is what you need to do. In the first instance, the December 5 directory was empty, so we needed to just pass in this command, this simple command, and then it was deleted. Currently, because the December 7 directory is not an empty directory, we cannot use this. And when we use, you see what it is giving us. The directory is not empty, which means we cannot stick to this simple command. And we need to now use remove directory followed by /s, then the name of the directory you want to delete. So let's pass in this command and press enter. You see, when you press enter, it is now asking you, are you sure, yes or no? So I want to delete it. So I'll just press yes and then proceed. It is deleted. To be sure that it is deleted, let's check in the specific directory. So let's open this document directory to see. So you type dir and hit enter. We now see that when we opened this directory, the December 7 is deleted. It's gone. The other alternative to do is to have used remove directory. Okay, you type remove directory /s/kill followed by, in this case, the Zima 7 directory is also not empty. It is not empty, but I want to delete it. So December 8 followed by December 8. This command I have passed here, you realize it is quite different from the one up here. This one also deletes everything from the directory called December 8. With this /kill, we are passing the command to make sure that the system deletes everything from the directory December 8 without asking us yes or no. So if you are sure and you want to you want to terminate the confirmation stage from asking you yes or no as to whether to delete it or not, then when you pass the command remove directory /s, which is instructing it to delete everything from this one, we then add /kill before the name of the directory. In this case, when you press enter, you will not be asked whether we are sure to delete or not. So it is gone. Let's check in the document directory and see if December 8 folder is still contained in it. So it is gone. December 8 is gone. In this video tutorial, I've introduced you to how to delete a directory when you are working in a virtual environment as a data scientist or as a developer or data analyst or Power BI expert, and or you are just a beginner who is working to learn this programming stuff, and then you want to work in the virtual environment and pass some of these simple commands instead of going through this long procedure. So you go through your local Dixie, you go through users, owners, document, and then you come and right click to delete some of the folders or the directories you no longer need. When you stick to the command line or the CMD, you can easily do some of these things. First of all, you should know that before you delete a directory, you must make sure it is empty. If it is empty, you just pass in the command. If it is empty, you just pass in the command remove directory followed by the name of the empty directory. However, if the directory is not empty and then it contains other sub directories or files, then we cannot use remove directory and followed by the file name. It will tell you that the directory is not an empty directory. In this case, you rather pass the command remove directory followed by /s and then the directory name. And when you hit on the enter key, it will now prompt you, are you sure to delete, yes or no? If no, type no to stop the deletion of the directory. If yes, you do, and then it is gone. Alternative to deleting a directory that has other files contained in it is that if I would want to pass this confirmation stage where I would be asked yes or no to delete or not, I would now introduce another command where when I type a remove directory /s, I'll now add /kill before the December 8 or the specific directory I now want to delete. When that should happen and I stick to this, I will not be asked about whether I am sure to delete or not. This one deletes it completely and it is permanent. You cannot recover it anywhere in the recycle bin. So before you delete any directory, you should be specific. You should be sure that you no longer need it, and you must bear in mind you cannot recover it in any way, in any form. So this is what you've learned for today. Let me know your thoughts at the comment section. Please like and then subscribe to my channel for more of these tech tips. However, if you are doubting as to how to create and then how to rename and remove some of these directories, then you should check out the earlier video or the earlier tutorials I made, which is the part 1. The part 1 of this part 2, so you will know. Thank you.